know I forgot, know that won't keep us apart. Baby, I know, I'm not giving you up. If you want, anytime you want it, baby, bring your body back to me. They can call me foolish and stupid, don't know why I do this, but baby, bring your body back to me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name Maharani Widya Putri. It's good to be here. The title of my presentation is Phonology in Language Structure. Do you know what phonology? I have divided my text into 4 points. The first point is definition of phonology. Etymological phonology comes from the word phon, which means sound, and logos, which means knowledge. Phonology is the branch of linguistics that studies how sound function within a particular language or language. It focuses on the rules that govern sound pattern. Number 2, the role of phonology in language structure. Number 1, phonology studies the sounds, phonemes that distinguish meaning in a language such as P and B in pet and bird. Number 2, it also analyzes sound patterns and rules, like how the plural S is pronounced differently. It cuts as books depending on surrounding sounds. Number 3, facilitating language learning. Understanding phone is essential for language learners as it helps them recognize and produce the sound of a new language, distinguish between similar sounds, and grasp the rules of pronunciation. Number 3, the field of phonology. Phonetic is a science that studies the language sound without paying attention to their function as differentiators of meaning. Written phone or phonics using signs, materials, and objects of phonetic study are words and phone or phonics. For example, material stone, wheel, stone. Young phonemes are the smallest sound unit in a language that can differentiate the meaning of words into words divided by one sound that sounds in a phoneme. For example, the sound T and T are two different phonemes. This is because the difference in the sounds T and D can change the meaning of a word, as in the word tin and din. Number 4, importance of phonology. in language learning. Accurate pronunciation phonology help learners recognize and produce the specific sounds of a language, including the subtle difference between sounds that can change the meaning of a word. Improved reading and spelling. Phonological awareness, the ability to recognize and manipulate sound in spoken language, is a foundational skill for literacy. Enhanced comprehension. Understanding the sound system of a language allow learners to better understand spoken language and distinguish and similar sounding words. To sum up, phonology study how sound function to distinguish meaning and helps learners pronounce and understand language correctly. If you have questions, please write them in the comment column. In conclusion, phonology is a branch of linguistics that studies phonemes and how they function to distinguish meaning in a language. It focuses on sound patterns and rules important for pronunciation, reading, and understand in speech. Phonological knowledge help learners recognize and produce correct sound. Unlike phonology, phonetic studies the physical aspect of sound without focusing on their meaning. Phonemes are the smallest sound units that differentiate meaning. Thank you for your attention.
Come you want it, baby, bring your body back to me.